So let's put this into context. It is predicted that an investment of $100 billion will be pumped into the oil and gas sector in Kenya within the next 15 years. So if we take a very modest kind of exchange rate, say like 100 shillings, we're talking about 10 trillion shillings. Just to put that into perspective, our 2016-2017 budget was 2.3 trillion shillings. That's almost 5 times of our budget. I guess you get the point. But whether that will translate also to the revenue, that is a totally different situation. But there's still more. Kenya is really expected to join the oil leaders in exporting oil development in East Africa. Pilot phase is supposed to produce about 2,000 barrels per day from 5 wells in Amosing and Ngamia fields. That's all in Turkana. Also, the production into local storage tanks at Ngamia 1 has already started because that's where they're going to be stored. And also, the commencing 2018, it's expected to take at least 2 years for that and all operation to continue. But the crude oil will be transported using insulated tankers by road to Mombasa. If the government gets this right, there will be a ripple effect with job creation, better infrastructure, and definitely a stronger economy. We'll, of course, keep an eye on the developments and find out if the 10 trillion shillings that is investment will also translate to revenue collected.